would break my heart in two if you should fall into my arms. Tremble like a flower. Let's dance, Nimada, let's dance. Under the moonlight, the serious moonlight. Oh, the moonlight's so serious tonight. It is a full moon. It must be a Miziweya Bikazi. Miziweya Bikazi. It's a full moon. I see a bad moon arising. Miziweya Bikazi. Not to be confused with the Makadewa Bikazi. Makadewa Bikazi. The lunar eclipse. That's just the opposite. That's when... Or no, does that really mean lunar eclipse? I don't think that means lunar eclipse. I think that's when it's a new moon. Or it's just a black moon. I mean, it actually means black moon. Makade Wabikazi. A lunar eclipse is that weird... We just had one recently, but... Miziweya Bikazi is a full moon. And back in the days of the grandfathers... It was a very serious moonlight. Under the moonlight. Anyway, I wasn't sure what I wanted to say about that. Maybe I should go back. Today is OJIBWE Word of the Day and our live stream show. Yeah, whatever. Bloop. BOOZHOO! Hey, sweetie. Well, hi, NANABOOZHOO. What are you doing? I was teaching the word for full moon. Oh, really? Yeah. I thought it'd be a bigger effect than it turned out to be. Okay, you want to come home? Yeah, could you teleport me? You got it. When to teleport? Make it so, number one. All right, hang on.
Miigwech. Miigwech means thank you. Miigwech. And if you want to say, like, really thank you, like thank you very much, you would say, Chi miigwech. Chi miigwech. I just want to say Chi miigwech to you watching this video. Yeah, thank you for being here today. Miigwech. How do we say that? Miigwech. Thank you for being here. Miigwech. Ando. Maybe I'll figure that out and do that for a word of the day or a phrase of the day. Anyway, okay.